Ever wondered who's behind the magic of artificial intelligence? Who are the masterminds making machines think and learn? The answer is AI engineers. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is a grand theatrical production. In this scenario, AI engineers are the directors, the scriptwriters, and the stagehands, all rolled into one. The first act of their role begins with conceptualization and planning. AI engineers are often the architects of a project's initiation. They define the scope, set objectives, and decide on the methods and technologies to be used. They must anticipate the computational resources needed and foresee potential bottlenecks, both technical and ethical. The second act is all about data management. Like a wizard concocting a powerful potion, an AI engineer is responsible for data acquisition, cleaning, and pre-processing. This includes selecting the right datasets and ensuring they are balanced and representative to prevent model bias. The third act brings in the thrill of algorithm development. These professionals decide which algorithms to use, often customizing existing algorithms or even developing new ones. Whether it's supervised, unsupervised, or reinforcement learning, the choice significantly impacts an AI's performance and capabilities. Next, they step into the training and validation phase. AI engineers set up the training environment, which could be on local servers or cloud-based platforms. They monitor the training process, tune hyperparameters, and validate the models using various metrics like accuracy, precision, and F1 score. The climax of their role comes with deployment. Once trained, models need to be integrated into a usable application. AI engineers work on creating APIs, optimizing for low latency and high throughput, and ensuring the model scales efficiently. But their job doesn't end there. AI isn't a set-it-and-forget-it technology. Models can become outdated or may need retraining. Engineers make sure the system is up to date, performing periodic checks and updates, thus ensuring a smooth curtain call. AI engineering doesn't operate in a vacuum. Engineers often work closely with domain experts, data scientists, and UX/UI designers. Their role is especially crucial in sensitive fields like healthcare or finance, where model interpretability and ethical considerations are paramount. Some AI engineers specialize in specific areas like natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, or robotics. Specialization often involves deeper knowledge of the particular challenges and state-of-the-art methods in those domains. Moreover, they are increasingly responsible for implementing security features and ensuring ethical considerations are not ignored, particularly when it comes to data privacy and model fairness. As AI continues to evolve, the role of the AI engineer will likely expand to include more sophisticated tasks. Quantum computing, edge AI, and neuromorphic engineering are some areas that could redefine the job description of future AI engineers. In conclusion, AI engineers are the unsung heroes behind AI systems, responsible for their inception, operation, and continual improvement. They're the puppet masters making the magic happen behind the scenes, turning science fiction into reality. Without them, the world of AI as we know it would cease to exist.